Hey guys, this is Poetspice Jamie Tallulah, and I am here to do the first installment of our October collab, which is so awesome, which is the Comfy Cozy Collab 2021. So I'm not feeling so good right now, so excuse me. Anyway, but thank you for watching, and go check out the other ladies who are participating. And this is a collab where we are basically doing any project with any products that make us feel comfy, cozy, give us that warm, fuzzy feeling. So it could be pets, it could be a cup of tea, it could be coffee, it could be, you know, hot chocolate, whatever it is, fall, cozy up in front of a fire, whatever it is that gives you warm, fuzzy feelings. So if you want to play along, definitely use the hashtag and join us every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I used. So I found these artist trading cards. Excuse me. I found these artist trading cards in my stack, and you can see that they were like from last year and they were on clearance. So I pulled them out, and then what I didn't realize is that they were actually glossy on one side and then the matte color on matte on the back. So you could use your alcohol inks with this like Yopo paper, I think that's what it's called. And I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. But I wasn't going to do that, so I'll show you what I did instead. But I did use those cards. And then I have these two stamp sets that I got from the Not Too Shabby shop a while ago. So she may or may not still have some in there. But it's Stampingbella, and it's a little bit of fall collection, fall fruit. And then this one is the fall collection, Falling in the Leaves. They're so cute. I love these little weird head girls. They're so adorable. So I use these two sets, and they're rubber stamps. You can see that. And I like the fact that they're blue rubber. You guys know blue is my favorite color. Then this is another example of like, just use your supplies, whatever they are. Sometimes we try to be precious with them. I try to be precious with my supplies because of how much they cost, or just like whatever. But I totally went and mixed again. So this is the Anna Griffin Vintage Halloween card kit. So I took some elements out of this kit and mixed them with these stamps, which clearly is not an Anna Griffin kind of aesthetic. But who cares? Take your stuff, use it the way you want to, and don't worry about it being so precious, because next year they're going to come out with something else anyway, right? Now I'm speaking to myself in that as well. So I'll show you I did use a die. So what I used a die set as well. I use this is from KSCraft, the mini slimline, and so I use this outside to make the actual card, and then the layers. Okay. So let's show you what I did with the artist trading cards. I went ahead and I stamped some little scenes using those stamps because they're so small, so it's so cute just to create these little scenes on here. How adorable is that? And so, did I do another one? I don't know. Yes, I did. And then here she is too. So I thought they were so cute and adorable. And so I decided I was just going to stamp them on the non-shiny side, and that way I could just use markers and pencils and whatever. Okay. So I was originally going to do one thing, but I never know what I'm going to do until I'm done. So I'll show you the one piece. So I used that die set, and I did this. And to me, fall starts the whole comfy, cozy scene and everything, because you like the colors, they get richer, and it's just wonderful. The weather gets just a little bit chilly. I don't like being cold at all, but you know, like 70 with a breeze or 65 and sunshine, we're looking good. I also took, this is Anna Griffin paper as well from another pack that she had. So I took that paper, cut it up with the layers, and then here is that little artist trading card that I made, this little scene of her with the little mushrooms. I used my alcohol markers, so I used some Hoo and some Aspire markers to do those. And then this is an Anna Griffin piece. Now, it's actually, she doubles up the layer. So this was on top of here with a little foam dot. And because I'm like, well, I don't want to use all of my fall on one card, even though it's not, you're going to use whatever. I said I took them apart, and that way, that's another way you can use your product, but at the same time, spread it out. Okay, so I used my alcohol markers, and then I used some color pencils to do the background and the ground. Then I took another, actually, this is from that kit that I was using in my Anna Griffin collab. So I had another one of these, put those on the inside, and then you can see some more of that Anna Griffin paper right there. So that's a mini slimline. She's so cute. And then I'll put some sentiment on it whenever when I decide what I actually wanted to say. All right, the next thing I used was from that Anna Griffin kit. And so I took one of the card bases. It was this handmade bot from the card kit. And I used this. This is that other paper from another pack that she has. And then I used some of the leaves, in this case with little acorns. And then here's that little stamp set on the little card again, and I use my alcohol markers and my colored pencils to go ahead and do that. And then this time I pulled this set apart, so this little piece was on top, and put those there with some foam tape. And then this one down here this is how it is. It's just double. Can you see that? So I just left it that way, and so it gives some more dimension. On the inside, I took the labels from the other kit that I'm trying to kill and put it on the inside. And then I'm going to put something over this because it got some glue there. So I'll put a little something there, you know, put another little leaf there or something on the inside. So those are my two projects that give me warm, cozy fall feelings. Okay, so definitely play along with us. Check out the other ladies. There's 5 more people playing, and then there's a hashtag down below, so definitely use that and then come play with us as well. See you guys later, and be on the lookout for the next video. Bye bye.